the sort of label that you want is going to determine what kind of machine learning system you're looking for. So let's learn about some machine learning jargon to do with labels. First off, if we are looking at binary or multi-class labels, things like cat not cat or cat dog bear giraffe elephant, etc., then we call that a classification task. If the label is a number, we refer to that as a prediction task or a regression task. Now, I'm saddened by the use of this jargon of regression because that means all kinds of other things in all kinds of disciplines, and especially in statistics, which is far too close for comfort. Regression refers to a certain kind of algorithm that has to do with putting lines through stuff. So I prefer to say prediction. In fact, prediction for all of it is fine. But just to introduce you to standard jargon so you don't get confused, this tends to be the first few minutes of every machine learning course. Let's just orient ourselves. Classification if there's categories coming out, and prediction or regression if the label is a number.